I'm Rebecca.
And we are Good to Know.
Know.
Okay, we have a product. We use this a lot. It's a KitchenAid, and it's a grinder.
It's the grinder attachment.
And stuffer. It will actually comes with two sides of stuffings. This will fit your KitchenAid. Pull that up right there. Put that in right there. And you just tighten. There's a little knob back here. You just tighten it down. It comes with 3 different blades.
Well, it has
one blade, yeah.
One blade.
And we'll put it on. It just goes on right here. And well, let me show you this too. This does. Okay. It pushes from the back side. You take that out for cleaning.
That's the auger that pulls the meats or vegetables through.
Pushes them through. You take the blade. This goes in either way. Stick it in. Don't matter which way it goes in. It's got a little square nut there. It fits up to. And we're going to try the bigger blade first, because we're going to try the
bigger blade first. Pay attention.
And then we are going to grind something with this. So you put the cap on. Set it right in there like that. You tighten her down. And this is the pusher. That is basically it to that. And like I said, once you get done, you take all this out, easy clean.
Well, the way I clean ground meat from there is I run a couple of slices of bread through it.
Yeah, through the end.
And then at the very end, and that will get
most of it out.
Most of the chunks out, and makes it easier to clean because it also wipes off a lot of that grease.
And like I said, once you get that done, and you want to go and you buy you some
sausage
casings, any kind you want. You can use synthetic, or you can use the real stuff if you want to. And this screws off and fits in there like that.
And there's a small one for the sheep casings, and then this one would go for the hog casings.
Hog casing, or you can buy the little 5-pounder ones, and you can stick on there, and you just hold it all the way in, and you just fill it up real tight, keep packing it, fill it up. But anyway, we're going to grind some meat. Let's see what it looks like.
All right. And I'm going to show them how to keep. Basically, there's 2 ways to keep this as tidy as possible. And the first trick is to use a bowl, turn it upside down, because this is up there pretty high, and if it's going to get down to that level, it's just going to make a mess, trust me. And just stack a smaller bowl on top of it.
And also you might want to get a rag, because it does spurt a little bit. We forgot about that.
And then what we usually do is just cover it like that. The other trick is this.
Go like that. Yay.
Now this is not going to support itself once you get a lot of food in there, but it's a good way to get started. And since we're just going to process this and store it, this is the perfect method.
All right, hold your ears.
Okay, we've patted some of this out just so you can see how easy it is to manipulate. And this is holding its shape so well. I was a little bit worried about the pre-cooked pastrami in there, but man, this is it's so moist, it's holding its shape. We didn't add a single thing to this. This is just the pastrami and the pork.
We're going to fry that up just to test it out. You should always do a test fry.
Make sure you like the way it
Make
tastes.
taste. You like the consistency of it. You may have too much fat in it. Maybe you have too much meat. We'll be right back.
Take it apart. Make sure, I like to get all the stuff out of it, and then I wash most of it in the dishwasher so it will help sanitize it. Just take all the pieces apart, get off the pieces of fat that's stuck to the blade. We're good to go to get washed.
We want to thank y'all for coming. Please share us with your social media.
That's right.
Please subscribe down there, okay? If you're first time here. And most important, we want y'all to come back.